On February 2nd, 2025, Chicago police officers responded to a burglary in progress near the 1800 block of Lawndale. Little did they know what would happen next.
Summer, say how much I'm speaking.
I think there's a burglary in progress.
It
Somebody broke into
okay,
the
wait,
apartment.
whoa, slow down. What's the rest of the address? So are they breaking into that apartment right now? Do you see
Yes,
that?
yes,
Okay,
yes. Right now.
Listen, are they entering through the front or the back, sir?
To the back door, but they went through through stairs, through like a ladder.
They got a ladder in the back?
Yeah, ladder in the back.
And how many people did you see go inside?
I see one in the camera.
Okay, black, white, or Hispanic?
Black with all black with a ski mask.
Okay, and are you inside that location right now?
I'm on the side. I'm on the outside right now. I'm the owner.
Okay, and what's your name, sir? Is the building occupied or vacant?
It's occupied right now, but I'm not sure
Okay.
how the person.
You just be looking out for the police. Okay, watch for
Yes,
it.
of course.
All right, thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So he's still in the back. He's still sitting there from the lock. He's up to dwelling. He's up in the fence.
Still in the rear of the lot, going into the alley, jumping the fence 1632 Central Park, Mail Black.
Fuck out here, what to the front?
Alright, 10-4, in the alley of Millard, 10-4. We got him in the alley between Millard and Lawndale, 1632 block.
Take your lunch, bud. I gotta be home.
Shit.
Okay, so he's going, westbound, he got a fire on his front.
Yeah, he does have fire, guys. Male, black, heavy build, 200 pounds.
Put your hands up! Hands up! Get down on the ground! Get down on the ground!
He's still walking. He's still westbound. He's in the alley.
Go this way.
Alright, we think 18th and Ridgeway in the alley.
Okay.
Alright, we have, is this spy and aid police or just spy the offender? Alright, this
He's right there.
Alright, let me get a good
Let me see your hands.
Need a good location for you guys. We
Let
got
me
a
see
lot
your
of
hands.
coming in. We need a good location.
Watch his right hand. Watch his right hand.
1822 Central Park in the alley again?
No, nine, somewhere in that area.
Careful.
Alright, 1807, 1809 Central Park in the alley. We're looking again for the
Head south. He's right there. Watch his hands.
1822 Ridgeway in the alley. Ridgeway.
He just went through one of those. He's gonna be on the street.
Went through one of the gangways.
It's at this moment that another 911 call comes in about the suspect.
Keep going. He went that way. Down the alley.
Hello, 911.
Hey, now I'm sorry. I'm talking to the police officers now. Oh my God, it's a shooting over here in the 1800 block on Lawndale. And police are here with him. Oh my God, I pray that they be okay. But the guy, it's a black guy. He with the gun. He's running down the alley in the 1800 block between Lawndale and Ridgeway. The police is after him.
All right, and what do you have on?
He got a black pants and a black jacket.
And he's running in the alley, right?
Yeah, he was walking. The police, I believe they see him. Yeah, because they shooting. Oh my God.
Yeah, we're on the way.
So they're on him. Okay, but I was just calling because I hadn't seen him, so they on it.
All right, gotcha.
Okay, bye bye.
He's going north, walking slowly.
Which one's coming this way?
Are you walking slowly? Are you going south? Southbound walking slowly.
Shot fired. I think I shot off under. He's down.
1131. Shots fired. Offender down in the alley. 1131.
Slowly. Walk slowly.
All right, let me know exact address for you guys there so we have an EMS in around.
Keep your hands up.
Try to clear away for an ambulance.
All right, let's clear away for the ambulance. Let me know where we are at so we can get this ambulance going, guys. Where are we at with the ambulance?
Let's go.
Me too.
I got left.
We're going to be at about 1820 yards.
I got it.
All right, we have the offender in custody. We're hearing 18.
Officers on scene responded with first aid, and the suspect, 28-year-old Kurt Kilbert, was transported to Mount Sinai Hospital, where he later succumbed to his injuries. The Civilian Office of Police Accountability is reviewing the incident, as is standard in all officer-involved shootings. This concludes our breakdown of the case. Thanks for watching. For more breakdowns and updates, follow us on TikTok and X.